Nick, what's the plan for today, my guy? What are we doing?
We're pulling the old exhaust and we're putting the new one on. Pulling the MagnaFlows. And putting on the Flow. FlowMaster Outlaws.
Let's get it. So these ones right here, clearly, the MagnaFlows.
Old boys.
The old boys just came with this new Mustang he bought. The thing is absolutely gorgeous. Nick, how much do you love this car?
This is my pride and joy.
This is pride and joy. And this came with the MagnaFlows, right?
Yes, sir.
And then what's the other one? The FlowMaster Outlaws?
Yeah.
So Nick, what's the reason for swapping them, bro? This thing already sounds pretty loud.
Get it louder. Need a little bit louder.
Make it louder?
Yeah.
Cool. How many miles are on this thing?
6,200 right now.
Damn, she's a puppy.
Bought it with 5,300.
Side by side comparison.
Outlaws.
I think it's actually going to be a lot louder than we think. That is.
Only one way to find out.
Yeah, well, think about it. You got that big can on the end, and it's just completely gone.
Yeah.
It's going to be lit. That was quick.
10 minutes.
10-minute job.
Pull these two bolts. Put the next one on. Good to go.
Yeah, the first startup is key.
Yep.
Yeah,
last one on.
Almost done.
Hell yeah.
Oh, you.
I hope it's disgustingly loud like your last one. So
Yeah, if it's really loud, it's
and then you hate it, and then you can't go back because you just cut your exhaust.
Time to find out. It sounds good.
Better.
It's definitely a little bit, it's louder. That's better. For sure. Look at those smiles right there. Cleaner Cofield. Cleaner Cofield. So about to go on a first test drive with Cleaner Cofield. First cruise. New FlowMasters. So Nick, how have you liked owning this car so far?
First 1,000 miles, it's been awesome.
Yeah, it's been awesome.
Love it.
She's quick, I can't
So
lie.
nice.
She's pretty quick.
She's quick.
She rips. She's a little ripperoo.
Eventually, she'll get supercharged. And then she's ready.
Alright, we're gonna do a little first gear pull.
Oh, that was second.
Alright, so far this thing sounds pretty sick. Nick's gonna rev it out a couple times so we could hear it.
Give it a little ish.
Little,
You doing good?
give it a little love. Alright, ready? Damn, she's loud as yeah. Yo, it's a lot louder, dude.
Yes.
Love it. So, all right, now we're gonna get some flybys, and that's it for these FlowMaster. What are they?
Outlaws. FlowMaster Outlaws.
All right, so Nick's gonna do a drive-by, and we're just gonna get like an exhaust noise. I hope it picks it up. I have a pretty good microphone on this, so we'll see. What is up, guys? So thank you for watching this. If you like the content, definitely subscribe. It helps me out a lot more than you think. But hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.